everyone, perhaps you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat indoors, and yes, indeed mittens as well. Well, it's because I'm about to introduce to you my first ever sewing pattern line. It's a range of winter accessories including 2 knit hats and 1 pattern for mittens. I'm not really fond of knitting, and I want to create something that will achieve a similar result but without having to do all that time-consuming knitting. So we're going to start off with Brisa. That is the classic beanie watch cap pattern. Now, so this version of Brisa that I'm wearing right now is done using a recycled sweater, and as you can see, this is the waist strip. I just fold it up and no one will ever think that this was actually an old sweater. So this is perfect project for refashion and upcycling, a great way to give a new life to those old sweaters. And if you want to make a hat that has slightly looser fit, well, then Ullvi is for you. It's this one, and it has slightly looser fit, and it's also really suitable if your fabric has less stretch. You can use the Ullvi pattern instead of the Brisa. They also have a little different shaping in the dots. So this is perfect if you want to create those kind of slouchy car hat style. This Ullvi pattern is perfect for that look. And now for the third pattern, let me introduce Tuva, the mitten pattern. This is shaped mitten, so you won't get that sort of overly oversized, bulky look. It's actually quite fitted, but definitely will have plenty of room for lining and stuff. Now, mitten patterns, they are not always easy to construct, but I've figured out a way to make them really nice and ergonomic, but still very easy to assemble. So I think you will love how easy the Tuva pattern is to sew together. And if you want to make your mittens even warmer, well, you can also add lining like this. Fleece is obviously great, that will keep you super warm. So there will be enough room for lining as well if you choose this pattern. And you know what? Each step in this pattern collection is clearly illustrated with technical illustrations. Yes, I had to learn that just so that I could create the sort of step-by-step instruction that I'm so very fond of. So I think you will really appreciate that. To find this pattern, head off to my website, thelaststitch.com, click shop, and there you find all the patterns. They come as PDF, they are very quick. I really hope you will like this pattern and discover the joy of sewing your own winter accessories. And even if you don't live in a colder climate, these patterns will actually work really well for thinner fabrics as well if you want to use cotton for your morning run. And of course, in the description section here, you will also find all the relevant information and links. I'm really happy now that I'm finally being able to share these patterns with you. And well, stitch safe, keep warm, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!